Hey everybody, this is Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com, the premier dealership and service center here in San Diego. And for all things Vespa, we got you covered, ScooterWest.com. I have a lot of customers come into my service department with a scooter that looks to be about this filth level. I don't know how to explain it. It's just the average filth of a scooter that just hasn't been cleaned for weeks, months, or whatever. So they asked, how can you clean it? And of course, you can do it the old-fashioned way with water and soap. You've got to be a little bit more careful than with a car because they're not quite as waterproof in all the areas. You know, getting lots of water into switches isn't always the best idea. But I've tried a lot of different spray cleaners, and I was looking for something that was both inexpensive and work well, and you could use several times. And for all the years, we've been using the original Bike Spirits spray cleaner and polish. It comes in this hideous pink and black can with that hideous looking like Harley with that like 90s looking alloy rim on the front. But I don't really care what it looks like. It works great. Our part number on this is spray cleaner, and it's only 10 bucks. So I recommend having a microfiber rag, preferably one that's clean. If your scooter's really, really filthy, you got to keep in mind, if you're rubbing the dust into it, you may put some swirling into the paint. This scooter, I could tell the paint's pretty oxidized, but let's see how much it shines up with 3 minutes of work from the spray cleaner and my elbow grease here. So you spray it on everything. It even works, take care not to spray it on your disc brakes. But we'll go at it, and same with the tires. Don't really want to get it on your tire tread, but you could certainly clean the rims just fine with it. But we'll go to town with the spray. Give me 3 minutes and let's see how it looks. Whew, there's 3 minutes of hard work. And this old ET4 looks much better. It's definitely shined up. You can see the rag started out nice. Now it looks like a filthy rag. One thing to keep in mind, if you're cleaning every part of the scooter, I'd recommend using a brand new rag on the painted surface. And as you move on to the dirty surfaces, such as the wheels and the rubber parts, then you can start using your dirty rag. So there you go. That's how you clean a scooter in 3 minutes for, you know, and a bottle like this will get you probably 4 or 5 full cleans, maybe even 10. A lot of little quick sprays, you know, if you just want a quick little wipe, this can will go a long ways. And it also is useful for cleaning your helmets and the shields on the helmets. There's a better product for cleaning plexiglass called Plexus that we like, but this will work in a pinch too. It's kind of got a waxy finish to it, and you could buff it into the paint as it cleans. I find it's just the best all-around cleaner. Works on the seats, the rubber, the metal parts, and the painted finish. No need to get like 6 different magic potions out to clean your scooter. And the last part smells pretty nice. So there you have it. Easy way to clean your scooter. Original Bike Spirits. Found on the ScooterWest.com site. Spray cleaner is our part number. Or come by our showroom or service department. You can buy it. We always have it ready to go. Until next time, it's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. Just a little quick tidbit video on how to keep your Vespa clean.